Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number SP1055-US32D316. This is a 1-inch diameter decorative cap style through bolt mount is what this is. The SP1055 means that this is what is the mounting package from a Type 12 HD mount from Rockwood. Type 12 means decorative cap, so on the inside or the opposite side of the door where the push or pull is, you're going to see just this piece of architectural metal. The HD part of it, you can do a Type 12 or you can do a Type 12 HD. HD means that the bolt diameter will be 5/16 versus the standard 1/4-20. So this is a 5/16 18 threaded rod versus the 1/4-20, which would be on a Type 12. So Type 12 HD. Now the US32D, that means stainless steel base material and a stainless steel, a brushed finish. But the 316 means that this is Type 316 stainless, basically a higher caliber of stainless with significantly less ferrous content than what Type 304 would contain, which is the standard stainless steel. You would want this if you had, you wanted to, well, I suppose absolutely reduce to all reasonable expectations any sort of over time oxidation, not oxidation, but corrosion of the material with exposure to water. Type 316 would be a marine grade application. Not that the bolt is, of course, Type 316 itself. That's just going to be steel-based material, but that cap itself is completely non-ferrous. Okay. There is so anyway, you're buying these. When you buy one, you're buying just one bolt. Obviously, you're probably going to need to order them in multiples of 2 if you're doing a typical push or a typical pull. There is, this is available in all of the common finishes, not only the Type 316, the Type 304 stainless, polished brass-based materials in all the finishes, polished brass, bronze, chrome, nickel, polished satin, oil rub bronze. Rockwood does, I think, differentiate themselves from the perspective that they entertain custom finishes. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog, and that will pull up a one-sheet view of the different bolts that you're going to see for through bolt mounting. You'll see the SP1055 there. This is going to be typical and common naturally for 1 3/4 inch thick doors. Should you have a door thickness that's other than 3/4 inch, we'll obviously have to modify the length of the rod. That is typically an additional charge. If you have need for a special door thickness, indicate that in the comment field at the time of the order, if there is, and there possibly will be, a difference in the cost because this rod needs to be either it needs to be supplied at a custom length. We will reach out to you prior to fulfilling the order if there is any change in the cost. You could have a near infinite amount of door thicknesses, so we really don't list all the possible door thicknesses that you might have. Okay. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the Rockwood products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the manufacturer's product catalogs. You've got the core product catalog from Rockwood, their trim and auxiliary hardware, but then you've got the architectural door pull, which will list all of the RM series of custom manufactured architectural door pulls from Rockwood. If you have any questions on the SP1055-US32D316 Type 12 HD bolt package, and by the way, that hole there is just for you to insert maybe a spanner wrench or something to get a little bit tighter than just what your hand can get. That's what that hole is there for. Any questions on this or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.